I'm going to create a video for children to teach them the alphabet. I click on Create a Design. I choose Video. I haven't given my project a name, but don't forget to do so. I click on Upload and download the soundtrack for my video. I click on the audio file to add it to the timeline. The song lasts more than 5 seconds, so I'm going to lengthen the page. I click on the page and then on Timing. I type in 200 seconds. I click on Elements and search for letters. These are animated and I like them, so I click on them to add them to the page. I add a page by clicking on plus. Now I'm going to look for letters again, but this time static ones. I add the letters A, B, C, D to the page. I move the page to the beginning of the montage by clicking on it, holding and dragging the page to the beginning of the timeline. Then I add the letters E, F, G on another page, and so on. I adjust the length of the pages to the soundtrack. I lengthen or shorten the pages by clicking on the side, holding and dragging the side of the page. To ensure that all the letters are roughly the same size, I'll use rulers to make them the same height. I click on File, Setting, then Show the Rulers and Guides. I click on the horizontal ruler and drag it over the letters A, B, C, D, then click again on the ruler and drag it under the letters. I'll place all the letters in this space between the two rulers. I want the letters to appear when they're named. I click on the letter A, then on these 3 little dots. I click on Show Timing. On the timeline, the duration of letter A appears. I shorten it so that it appears when A is heard. I do the same with the other letters. I add elements, musical notes. I click on Position. I select the musical notes by clicking on them while pressing the Command key on my Mac keyboard to select the elements at the same time. Then I click on Group. Then I copy the group by clicking on the group layer, pressing Ctrl+C and paste it onto the other pages by pressing Ctrl+V. I change the background color of the last pages. I add a last page on which I place the animated letter A. I click here to create a transition between the last two pages. And that's it, I've finished my video.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. everyone. If you want fun and engaging kids videos, Dita can help you.
Sam takes a walk with Boogie when they meet Rex, Boogie's best friend. They're delighted to see each other and bark with joy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
1, 2, 3, nous irons au bois. 4, 5, 6, cueillir des cerises. 7, 8, 9, dans mon panier 9. 10, 11, 12, elles se...
Talk to you soon.